Good morning, everyone. We are gathered here for Student Council election 2025. You can see students are very excited and they are waiting for the vote. Here you can see principals are giving the instructions for the voter, and our volunteers are also present here, and they will support the student, and they will guide the student how to cast the vote for different houses and for different head boy or head girl. So really we are very excited, and we further going for the question for different teachers, for the student, what is the important of role of this election. So this student council election is going to be that you can see the students are waiting for cast their vote. So I want to ask the question to principal sir. How is important the election in the school council? What is the importance of this elections?
It's good morning. It's very important to have school parliament election where such good culture and habits must be inculcated among children. And from the school time itself, they have to learn the importance of the democratic system, since we are the largest democratic country in the world. And we must give such a good culture among our children. So in school life itself, they will start to learn importance of that leadership. Later in future, if they wish to become the member of parliament or member in legislative council or an assembly, they should not face any problem. So school time itself, they must have this kind of practices. That's why we give importance for this.
I want to ask one question to Anjali ma'am. What is the important role of teacher for in this student council election? What is the role of?
See, actually, teachers are always supportive for the student, and by this, they want to teach them how they can work in team, how they can work collaboratively, and the leadership in them. And above all, I think so that this conducting this type of election will help them to learn practically about the democratic system.
And I also want to ask one question to Asutosh sir. Of entire system, I can say the arrangement and all the process and entire arrangements, where you face the problems, where you know, where you have feel that how the elections should be conducted.
See, as we all know, that elections are the biggest festival in any democracy. So the same sense of that democracy should be felt in the school itself. So school parliament election is one way to inculcate those feelings of leadership and sense of responsibility to the students. Yes, there are many problems in a democratic country. So while conducting the elections, some challenges are there. So to keep that phase, the students should face those challenges. These demo elections are very useful in their entire life. This will develop a sense of leadership and a potential they are having to lead the society, because they are the future leaders in our country.
Here you can see the voting has been started. Blue house candidate, green house candidate, and this red house candidate are giving the vote and casting the vote, and really they are very excited. Here we are standing at the polling booth. Principals are guiding the students in how to vote for head boy and head girl, and one by one students are came and cast the vote for head boy and head girl. So overall election you can see here is going on very smoothly or very sharply, and continuously our teachers, our volunteers are continuously guide the students how to vote, and yes, it is running very smoothly. Here you can see the students are coming in the queue from respective houses: yellow house, red house, green house, and blue house. They are collecting their slips and cast the vote for respective houses. You can see it is Narmada house, blue house, and that is green house, Krishna house, red house, and the last one is yellow house. I will talk to the green house, blue house captain with us, and I will talk to Arnav what the change you want in the school and what should be the voice from your side that the students will help you. Yes.
Good morning. After becoming a house captain, I will ensure that each and every member of a house feels included in each and every activity. Like there are competitions, mostly same students are doing again and again. So I will raise the voice to encourage all the participants so that our house will become the best and each and every student will encourage themselves.
Okay. He will increase the student that everyone get the chances to participate in each and every activities. So really, it is very good point. And now with us we have Aryan. Give the vote for greenhouse captain. So who will be the new captain of greenhouse according to you?
Sir, it's a very difficult decision to take now because everyone is a good competitor, and I have given vote to Pragya because I think that new students should also get some chance to be a captain, and they should also learn how to deal with all
For
these.
head boy and head girl, who wants that that she or he should be the head girl or head boy?
For head boy, I think Priyanshu Bhaiya is a good leader. He can be a good leader, and I have worked with him and I know him, so he's a really bright student, and I think he can manage everything very well.
Okay. For head girl,
For head girl, I think Bhumika Didi, and I know her very well. She was the captain last year of Greenhouse, and she's also a really good leader. She can be a good leader.
we have with us Abhiraj, and he's the candidate of head boy. So what do you think? What do you want? What do you want the change in the school? And what should be the processes? Should be going in very good manner in the school, and for different activities like cultural activities and sport activities. What should be the change, or what should be you want the change?
I think the change has already been coming along with the new principal and new staff, and all the there are many inter-house activities, and we love to do that. I participated in every one mostly last year, and I think we are doing a great job accordingly. And from what I think is, if I was the head boy, the rules and the regulations that are being pressed upon, I would like to do more, much more than that, and I would like to maintain discipline and all the things that normally people want, and I will try to do it more and better way.
This is Joseph sir. And sir, what do you plan to support the student for the student council? How do you support?
I give my support to all the students, and we are taking care that election is must go smoothly without any problem. There is nothing wrong. No one is violating the rule. All the students have followed the rules and regulations which Chief Election Commission has released yesterday. 4 o'clock we had a special circular after media briefing, and all the students are following the same. Till now, no case have been registered. Police is free from all the tensions and worries. No law and order situation here. Everything is going fine. And in another 30 minutes, we'll wind up everything. Thank you. And 1 o'clock, there will be a special media briefing to have the results. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Election process has been almost done, and the ballot box are going to the strong room, and you can see in the under the observation of principal sir. All the ballot boxes are collected at the one place, and yes, entire election process are done very in good manner and very smoothly. There is no any cases or any cheating has happened here. So yes, we can see that we have conducted the election in very smoothly or neatly and very fairly. See here, this is a strong all the ballot box of the green house, yellow house, red house, and the head boy and head girl. All the you can see the all the ballot box are sealed by the election commission under the observation of principal sir and coordinator ma'am. So yes, we can say we are living in the democratic country, and entire process are going very neatly and cleanly, and we can say we have did the election in very fair manner. So yes, the entire ballot box are sealed by the principal sir and coordinator ma'am, and one by one it is going to the strong room. All the ballot boxes are properly sealed and by the signature of Chief Election Commission and the principal sir and the coordinator. Now, this all the ballot box will go to the principal chamber. You can see here, and here the counting of vote will be done after the lunch break, and yes, result will be declared by today at 1 p.m. So we'll meet in the result. Thank you so much.